Hi guys, good morning. It's a new day and today is when I'll be going to get the laptop finally. I woke up late. It's around 10:30 over here. We'll be going downstairs, having a cup of coffee at Starbucks, and then let's head on to Dubai Mall and get the laptop. Hi guys, back to the mall this morning and about to purchase the laptop, but I also have to purchase some sneakers for myself. So I am thinking that before I go and get the laptop, should shop for the sneakers. That then I can just have the laptop and go home. So probably we'll spend half an hour exploring some good places to check out some sneakers, and then we'll go for the laptop. This I like. This would go with, say, for example, a jeans as well. Oh, this is interesting.
Yeah, smooth leather. This is like, a little bit iconic and like a British color as well.
So I'm at a store called Dropkick. It's in the second floor of Dubai Mall, and it's a huge store full of sneakers and sports material, sportswear, I must say. It's a good place to explore a lot of variety from here. Various kinds of shoes for sports, for various different athletics and everything. So I'll be spending some time over here trying to explore, and then let's see. I'll show it again. Wow. What other options do I have? So in without the laces ones, I saw a few over here somewhere. Because tying these laces every time is a nuisance. I just want something which I can like slip my feet in. That's what my plan. Okay, so these have a zipper. This is probably a size smaller than what I would need to have. It's actually quite small. I because I don't think I'll be able to close this at all. Okay, so I've explored 2 or 3 sneaker shops. I was looking for sneakers without the laces. Not a lot of options here, so let's just ditch that plan for now. Let's go to buy the laptop. Vora Sharaf DG, वहाँ पे जाके have to purchase the laptop. The wrong impression that the last shop where I went, that was a Dropkick which was there, but here is the actual shop and that's where I have to go. Let's see. So I've just explored a few shops and this is another one called Go Sport. This is also somewhere you can probably come. A very wide variety of everything about sportswear, and you even got things like the rackets and the swimming material. नहीं गाइस, यहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं है. एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ है बट जो मुझे चाहिए वो नहीं है. Sneakers without laces. So third store, but couldn't find anything. Let's go back to what we had come for. Okay, so I was talking to the shop owner about the additional accessories which he will give me. He's called his manager right now, but I have a client call to attend, so I'll be sitting somewhere here and attend the call. So guys, finally purchased my laptop, and let me just go home and I will reveal that which laptop have I finally purchased. After a lot of interaction with the sales guys, I got a mouse and something extra, all of those things. And so yeah, let's go home in some time and find out that which laptop have I purchased for myself finally.